Hi, I'm Zane Merva from GM-Trucks.com, and this bad boy is the all-new 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe. These things are currently flying off dealership lots faster than Chevy can produce them. So with that in mind, we wanted to see, why do people love the Tahoe so much? After a week behind the wheel, we've got 10 reasons why we love the Chevy Tahoe and one reason that we don't. The first thing we love about the all-new Tahoe is its modern design. It now strongly resembles the Silverado with LED headlights and strong white DRLs in the front. On the side, there's more room for passengers and cargo with flat sides, and in the back, a flatter rear end means a better aerodynamics. In short, the 2021 Tahoe is quite the looker. The second thing that we love about the all-new Chevy Tahoe is the infotainment system. The infotainment system on the all-new Tahoe is among the best in the industry. A large touchscreen is easy and intuitive to use. Wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay mean you're always connected. Available 4G data plans allow you to turn your vehicle into a moving hotspot. In short, you're never going to be frustrated getting the information you need. The third thing we love about the all-new Chevy Tahoe is its standard 5.3-liter V8 and 10-speed automatic transmission. Plucked straight out of the Silverado, the 5.3-liter V8 engine found in the Tahoe is staunch, powerful, and ready to haul. Paired with a 10-speed automatic and equipped with dynamic fuel management, the new Tahoe has the best of both worlds, power and fuel efficiency, all while producing 355 horsepower and 383 pound-feet of torque. The fourth thing that we absolutely love about the brand new Chevy Tahoe is its heads-up display. With technology pulled straight from jet fighters, the 2021 Tahoe gives you more information without taking your eyes off the road through a full-featured heads-up display. It can display your current speed, the status of the cruise control, an overview of the active safety systems, and even the speed limit. Coming up at number 5 on our list of things that we love about the 2021 Chevy Tahoe is its active safety features. From blind spot assistance to crash avoidance, rear cross traffic alert, and lane guidance, the Tahoe has it all. These systems are going to protect you from the most common causes of accidents, and along with its size, makes the Chevy Tahoe one of the safest vehicles on the road today. Now that we're on the highway, that brings me to number 6 on my list of things that we love about the 21 Chevy Tahoe, and that is adaptive cruise control. You simply set your maximum speed and the gap between the vehicle in front of you and the Tahoe does the rest, maintaining that gap no matter what changes in speed or what's going on in front of you. The Tahoe can even bring you to a complete stop if the conditions exist without any driver intervention. Coming in at number 7 on our list of 10 things that we love about the new 2021 Chevy Tahoe is Chevrolet's surround view monitor system and rear view camera mirror. If you're worried that by buying a big full-size SUV you might have trouble in parking lots or other tight spaces, worry not. Chevy's got you covered. With 4 cameras on the outside of your Tahoe, Chevy's 360-degree surround view monitor system gives you a perfectly clear view during any parking or tight maneuvering situation. And if you've got a lot of cargo or people in the back of your Tahoe and your rear view mirror may not be as easy to see out of, Chevy's rear view camera mirror system fixes it all, giving you a bright and clear view no matter what or how much is in the back seat. Coming in on number 8 of our favorite things about the 2021 Tahoe is its new fold flat third row seats. If you've owned a Tahoe in the past, you've known that the third row seating has been a little tight and not exactly fold flat, but thankfully Chevy's changed all that for 2021. The cargo area lays down flat, and the third row is actually comfortable for adults, which means if you've got to put Uncle Frank in the back, you won't have to feel bad about it. Everywhere you look inside the 2021 Tahoe, you'll see storage. The doors alone each have 3 pockets for stashing all of your important stuff. There's a large area ahead of the cup holders that also features a wireless phone charger. And next to the infotainment screen, there's a deep cubby for credit cards and other small items. And the last but not least thing that we love about the 2021 Chevy Tahoe is its entirely new independent rear suspension. For over 100 years, the Tahoe and its big brother, the Suburban, have been equipped with a truck-like solid rear axle. But for 2021, that's no more. The Tahoe now sports a fully independent rear suspension, and the difference is startling. When Chevy tossed the solid rear end, they also removed any resemblance to driving a full-size pickup truck. Bouncy ride? Gone. Harsh ride over rough roads? Gone. In their place is a smooth, predictable, comfortable ride that reminds us more of the Chevy Equinox than the Chevy Silverado. And the one thing that we don't like about the all-new 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe, the price. Our extremely loaded 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe Premier 4x4 has a starting price of $65,000. With the optional premium package that adds many of the optional features we just talked about, the MSRP balloons to over $70,000. That's a lot of money. The Tahoe has long been known as the everyday family hauler. At $70,000, the line between working man's ride and luxury vehicle have been completely blurred. At that price point, the Tahoe starts to compete with full-out aspirational luxury vehicles like Land Rover, BMW, and Lexus. But with all of that said, this Chevy Tahoe is the best Tahoe yet, with more technology, comfort, and features than any Chevy Tahoe that's come before it. And we'd make a fair bet that's exactly the reason why dealerships can't keep them on the lots and why consumers are paying full price. The new Chevy Tahoe is just that good. I'm Zane Merva, thanks for watching. If you're interested in more information about the 2021 Chevy Tahoe, then head on over to GM-Trucks.com and read our full review. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.